Which VPN is better? In this video, I'm going to give you a rundown on the strengths and weaknesses of both of these VPNs. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a rundown and my thoughts on which one is better and the reasons for why which one is better. Starting with, when it comes to Nebula VPN, what it is it's basically an open peer-to-peer VPN solution developed by Slack to provide secure connectivity between nodes as a distributed network and focuses on simplicity and scalability performance, making it a very popular choice just because of its really fast speeds and really fast turnaround times for using the VPN. Some of its strengths are it is decentralized, which is a huge benefit when it comes to VPN, meaning it's like almost impossible to track your location. When it comes to other VPNs, it's not exactly the same so much, but this one's like that. And it's also very customizable and built for scalability. Like I said, when it comes to nodes, you can actually like put it across all of your devices really easily, and it's really minimal and lightweight, so it's just really flawless overall, and developers are very friendly and the dev team is extremely great. However, the weaknesses is if you are trying to do it with a large team, although it's really easy to set up, it's not ideal just because it does have some lag if you're trying to use it across a bunch of devices on one network login, so it's better for just smaller groups of individuals. What Tailscale is it's basically a peer-to-peer mesh VPN that was built on WireGuard, which is another VPN virtual private network application out there, and it's designed to simply prevent networks with minimal configuration. Now, the strengths of Tailscale are it's extremely easy to set up and configure and just deploy on all of your devices, and if you are using it in a business or a ton of people, it is really easy to just set up and use in general. It has really fast speeds and really high speed security, so like everything you do is just extremely secure, and it's just really quick to respond to that. It has automatic key management, meaning it handles all rotations and distribution seamlessly when you're actually using it, so it appears that you're not even like on a VPN, just like you're on your normal network. And it does this really well across all of the devices, which I think is a major strength to this VPN. And it also integrates with identity providers, which is Google Workspace, Microsoft Auteca, and any other providers like so. Now, just really good because you can like use it on pretty much anything flawlessly. And of course, the best part is it doesn't cost any money. It's completely free, which is actually shocking, which is why I think it's ideal for individual small teams and developers who are in need for fast and secure devices or services in a straightforward way. That's a good thing about this VPN. Those are just the highlights, and I've also made this table that I'll attach on screen right now. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments, or other people if you find anything helpful.